Bank of India, which last Friday announced its decision to withdraw the 2000 rupee note from circulation, and it's part of its clean note policy, where the 2000 rupee banknotes that were introduced back in November 2016, when denomination, when it comes to demonetization, that was announced to meet with the urgent currency requirements of the economy after withdrawal of the legal tender status of 500 and 1000 rupee note. Now today, the Governor Shaktikanta came out to actually, even when it comes to clarifying the issues, as far as also raising a lot of awareness to the people, as they have now been given ample time till the 30th of September to actually, when it comes to exchanging or depositing the notes of 2000 rupee notes, as he has now been saying that they were slowly being phased out.
That it's a part of the currency management operations of the Reserve Bank. According to Section 27 of the RBI Act, the Reserve Bank is required to not issue notes which are excessively soiled, defaced or damaged. Under that section, for a long time, the Reserve Bank has been following what is called a clean note policy. Therefore, from time to time, Reserve Bank withdraws currency notes of particular series and issues fresh notes. And also, as a part of the normal banking operations also through the banks, as you know that when the notes get soiled, it is returned and fresh notes are issued. We are therefore withdrawing it from circulation, these 2000 rupee notes, but they continue as legal tender. We have clearly explained in our press note that these 2000 notes were primarily issued for the purpose of quickly replenishing the value of money which was being taken out from the system when the the then prevailing 1000 rupee notes and 500 rupee notes were what is called, when their legal tender status were withdrawn. So that time the 2000 rupee notes were introduced with a specific purpose, with a primary purpose, let me say, with a primary purpose to put back that much value into the system. And a decision was taken to adopt 2000 rupee notes, because if you do, currencies of lower denominations, in the same amount of time required for printing, with the same paper, with the same capacity of printing, you could have only printed lower value of currency. The purpose has been fulfilled. Today there are enough notes in circulation of other denominations. Even the circulation of 2000 rupee notes, as we have explained, has come down from its peak of 6,73,000 crores to about 3,62,000 crores. So it's come down by more than 50%, by about 50%. And the printing also has been stopped. And the notes have also completed their life cycle, because all these notes were printed about 5 years ago. So in this background, as a part of our clean note policy, it has been withdrawn. So my advice is to please see it as a part of the currency management operations of the Reserve Bank. Let me put it, clearly, and that is the primary purpose which we have followed. You have also raised questions about why time is given up to 30th September. You see, unless you give a particular time, unless you specify a particular time, the process will not reach a stage of finality.